what is infinite banking? I would say two things. Number one, it is probably the most important thing an entrepreneur can do to sustain their success and for the person beginning, accelerate their success. The second thing is infinite banking. Imagine, imagine in your family between grandparents, your parents, yourself, your children, grandchildren, there is this pool of capital that anything anybody in the family was doing related to money, whether that be in purchasing birth announcements, retirement party planning, committees, purchasing vehicles for your 16-year-old, purchasing educations for your children, purchasing automobiles, purchasing businesses, real estate, whatever it is. Anytime any of those needs happen, any of those family members were able to go to that pool of cash and use it. And then within the family governance to say, if you use it, you must return it. If you had a family bank with that pool of capital where you could do everything that you needed, in essence, that is the end of infinite banking.
Well, I mean, just yesterday we were sitting in our passive income mastermind monthly meeting, and we had an estate planning attorney teaching us on Nevada Asset Trust. And he was talking about this. He was talking about that very thing, about how he had helped set up for, the patriarch of a family that now 20, 30 years later, he's watching after that person has passed, he's watching the family use those funds in order to carry out the mission. And one of the missions was charitable. He said this group gives away $10 million a year.
Wow.
And the family gets to participate in it because one of the family's core values was generosity. And I love that what you're saying there, Ernie, is that when you build something like this, and I think, high level for if you're coming to this, you don't know what infinite banking is. You hear Ernie talking about this pool of money that you had access. We're going to kind of get down into the technical nitty gritty in a second, I would guess. But just really quickly, big picture, I think you're setting the vision for why is this important.